Alright guys, this is White Trash Racing. We're back. I'm gonna give you guys a quick little video on these Speed Factory locking pins. This is a Speed Factory vtec locking pin. They claim to save you 8 grams of weight per pin. So we got a scale here. Gonna go ahead and weigh out the first ones. 22.2, just about 22.1. So let's see, 13.8. That's a 8.3 gram difference. That is exactly what they claim it to be. So that's pretty good. I guess Speed Factory is selling some pretty good parts. So these are the titanium Speed Factory locking pins. This is a factory one. So yeah, if you guys wanted to save some weight on your valve train assembly, that's a really good way to do it. Speed Factory vtec titanium locking pins. So this is White Trash Racing. We're out.